Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Pomodoro Timer for productivity on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the apps, and here what you guys want to do is scroll down until you see the timer. So here we have the Pomodoro Timer, as you guys can see. And here we have the focus time, so we can change it to, let's say, 60 minutes. Now click on OK, and for the best focus effect, D&D is automatically enabled. So now whenever we go over and see, we have the focusing, and that's how the Pomodoro Timer works. Of course, when it ends, then it vibrates. So when the break time arrives, then it simply stops. So now what you guys can do is stop it. Now do just that, and here you see the focus today and breaks today. You guys can see the timer, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.